The original Xiaomi Mi Mix was the pioneer of bezel-less smartphones back in 2016 when flagship Samsungs and iPhones looked like this. Xiaomi was way ahead of the curve and it was a very well received smartphone. The Mix 2 was a relatively small upgrade, but then the Mix 3 was once again really innovative, mimicking the classic sliding smartphones. And after 2 years of not releasing a new Mix device, Xiaomi once again has teased that they have a new Mix smartphone coming out soon. Also guys, subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. So Xiaomi has revealed a teaser for the new Mix and the emphasis is on Mix coming back. This smartphone is going to be released on 29th of March, which just so happens to be my birthday, so I guess it's a gift from Xiaomi. At the bottom the poster reads, March 29, Xiaomi 2021, new product launch, we have something new to show you. And boy do they have new technology. The Mix 4 will be the very first smartphone in the world to come with a liquid lens. Xiaomi has posted a trailer of this liquid lens. The lens over the sensor is literally liquid instead of a solid glass, which Xiaomi says is just like the inner workings of a human eye. I don't really know or understand how this works, the whole idea seems a bit bizarre to me, but I am really excited to see how does a liquid lens work and is it really more than just marketing mumbo jumbo. And if it actually is a liquid lens, then does it help in improving the camera quality? Xiaomi calls this technology bionic photography and essentially it is a transparent fluid wrapped from an ultra thin film that can change the curvature of the lens to achieve rapid refocusing and minimizing distortion. According to the official post, the fluid has high light transmittance and ultra low dispersion and is extremely resistant to environmental factors. The Mix could also be a folding smartphone. We recently had a prototype get leaked which showed us a folding smartphone with Mix written on it, but it has not been confirmed whether the Mix really is a folding phone or not. This supposed folding Mix smartphone which got leaked looked exactly like the Fold 2 with the almost identical hinge mechanism. I personally wish that they could make the Mix Alpha really the Mix 4, but even if it is a folding smartphone, I am really good with it. And because it's Xiaomi, it's likely going to be cheaper than the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Let me know guys your thoughts about the upcoming Mix smartphone. I am super excited for this liquid lens and to find out that is it really a folding phone, and if it is, then what new does Xiaomi bring to the table. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. You can also say hi to me on Twitter, and guys, thanks for watching.